Okay, Roger, and are you declaring emergency or not?
Well, right now we can just give you a clear information. It's just a windshield strike, it's the outer pane. We're returning because, yeah, I guess we're supposed to declare emergency, so yes, we are.
Okay, Roger, you're cleared to the Phoenix Pat Harbor Associate.
Direct Phoenix, 12000, 845.
American 845, did you say that you were struck by birds or just a windshield?
One bird strike right first officer's windshield. One bird strike.
And American 845, you need any assistance on the ground?
Negative, American 845.
And American 845, when you have a second, give me the fuel on board and souls remaining.
And we have 80 souls on board and 2 hours of fuel, American 845.
American 845, roger.